Welcome! Today we're building a hotel website using the Hello Elementor theme and the powerful hotel booking plugin by MotoPress. The Hello Elementor theme is known for its lightweight, fast loading pages, while hotel booking brings all the essential tools for reservations, availability calendars, and payments. Let me walk you through two options. First, we'll see how it all looks without any custom styling, just the default setup. Then I'll show you how a touch of additional CSS can elevate the design and give it that extra polish. If you're a property owner using the MotoPress hotel booking plugin on your WordPress website, you've probably paired it with the Hotel Elementor theme, or maybe you're thinking about it. Why Hello Elementor? With over 1 million installs, this theme is a favorite for WordPress sites designed to work hand in glove with Elementor, making customizations fast and flexible. MotoPress actually has a lineup of gorgeous hotel and vacation rental themes of its own, but Hello Elementor is a solid, budget-friendly alternative. And here is the kicker. It integrates effortlessly with the MotoPress hotel booking plugin thanks to a handy extension. We'll talk more about that extension and everything else you'll need for this setup in just a second. Without custom styling, Hello Elementor keeps things pretty minimalistic. If you're looking to add flair, you can tweak default layout settings, borders, and backgrounds directly in Elementor. Or if you're using Elementor Pro, take advantage of its pre-designed templates. Want to go beyond that? Custom CSS can bring in even more unique touches. To give you a little inspiration, here is a great example. A Posidonia rooms for rent. This is a site built with Hello Elementor and MotoPress hotel booking. There may be some slight custom styling involved here, but it shows what's possible with this powerful setup. So you're set on using the MotoPress hotel booking plugin to manage your direct bookings and want to bring it to life on your Hello Elementor powered website. Perfect choice. And here is the toolkit you'll need. Next, we'll pull together the toolkit for this project. First, you'll need Elementor Hello theme, Elementor, also free version or pro version, MotoPress hotel booking plugin, available in both free and paid versions, Lite or Pro, and hotel booking and Elementor integration extension. It's free. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and get yourself logged in with your admin credentials. From the left-hand menu, navigate to Appearance, Themes. Click on the Add New button at the top of the page, and Hello Elementor should show up as the first result. Hover over the Hello Elementor theme and click the Install button. So the theme is so popular that you don't even have to type its name. So, and once the theme is installed, you'll see the Activate button appear. Click on Activate to make Hello Elementor your active theme. After you activate the Hello Elementor theme, you'll likely see a button at the top of your WordPress dashboard saying something like install Elementor if Elementor is not already installed. If you see this prompt, you can click this button and then click activate, which will take you to the plugin installation page. For this video, I'm going to use the free version of Elementor. Now it's time to add hotel booking, and for this video I'm going to use a pro version. You can go for the light version, it's up to you. So I hit add new. Next at the top, click the upload plugin button. It's near the title of the page. Then I select the zip file I downloaded from the official website, and then I hit install now. And once the upload and installation finish, you'll see a message that the plugin was installed successfully. So I hit the activate plugin button and I'm all set. After activation, I recommend installing all plugins system pages. Great. The hotel booking and Elementor integration extension is available directly from the WordPress plugin repository. So in the search bar, I type hotel booking and Elementor, and you should see hotel booking and Elementor integration by MotoPress appear in the results. So I click install now, and once installed, click the activate button. Great, perfect. And that's all there is to it. You're now ready to integrate MotoPress hotel booking with Elementor and start styling your booking pages like a pro. So after installing hotel booking light or pro, it doesn't matter, you should see two new hotel booking menu items in your dashboard. I mean accommodation and bookings. And to set up essentials like accommodation types, seasons, rates, and so on, you should go to the accommodation menu. In this video, I'm not going to walk you through the basics, things like setting up essentials, but don't worry, I've got a much better video for you. Check out our tutorial on building a vacation rental site, and that guide covers everything you need to know about setting up your property from the ground up. Trust me, it's the perfect starting point, and that guide will give you the ins and outs of setting up your property from scratch. Oh, and there is also a helpful video on how hotel booking integrates with Elementor in general. But here we're staying focused on how to display content edit with hotel booking in the Hello Elementor theme, keeping things clean and simple without custom styling, or with just a few tweaks using default Elementor. Or I'll show you, as I mentioned before, as I promised, I'll show how you can style it with some additional CSS. So, all right, go ahead and install all the essentials, get everything set up, and I'll be doing the same but behind the scenes, so we don't waste any time. Let's keep things moving. I've just finished adding all the accommodation types with all their essentials like a title, description, amenities, and capacity. Speaking of which, here is how you add your amenities. And these are my seasons and rates. Oh, and if you provide any extra services to your clients, this is where you can add them too. And All of these info is crucial for those Elementor widgets to do their magic. Alright, now for the reading section in the settings under your homepage displays, I've set it to show home and blog. Both pages are all set up behind the scenes, all ready to roll. We're going to start building our site from the homepage. Before we dive into building the homepage, let's take a quick detour and set up our menu first. It'll make everything smoother as we go along. Let's get that in place. Now that we've got the menu set up, we're all ready to jump into building that home page. Now let's open up the page with Elementor. The first thing we'll do is hit that little cog to choose our page layout. It's important to set this up right from the start so everything fits perfectly as we build. The page layout is the overall structure of the page, and it's like the skeleton of your design, and this is where you decide whether you want a full width page, no sidebar, or a boxed layout. It's about how the whole page fits together, and you can tweak it through Elementor settings or your theme settings. So if you want a clean slate with no header or footer, you can choose the canvas layout, giving you a blank page to design from scratch. As for me, I'm going with the full width layout. It gives us more room to work with and keeps things looking clean and sleek. So feel free to choose whatever works best for you. And you can start by adding a new container. Alternatively, you can use a ready-made page layout. I'm sticking with the free version for now, but as you can see, there are tons of pro options if you want to level up your design. So here we go. Now I'm going to pack this ready-made layout with all the content and widgets I need. Time to make it look amazing and add the finishing touches. Section layout or container layout is where the fun happens, and this is all about the nitty-gritty of each section on your page. Containers are like your building blocks, and they're where you decide how things look inside the page, like how many columns you want, whether things should be aligned in the center or top, and how much breathing room each section gets, I mean paddings. And this is where you can play with the positioning and design of the content inside a section. Alright, let's dive into how the MotoPress hotel booking plugin plays with Elementor, specifically with the Hello Elementor theme. In the Elementor editor, you'll find a dedicated MotoPress hotel booking category packed with 17 widgets. So, first widget I'm going to use is the search form widget. The search availability widget lets you place a check-in, check-out form anywhere on your site. Set it up as a horizontal or vertical form. Choose default numbers for adults and children, and include any extra search fields like location or room type. So it's all possible with this widget. So place it front and center on your home page or sidebar or next to the accommodation types widget for a full booking experience. So it's up to you. It depends what page you're using it on. So, but you cannot imagine your hotel booking site without this widget, that's for sure. Alright, now let's keep it rolling. Attempt to add some relevant content and fine-tune all the parameters to make sure the page looks polished and on point. So we'll tweak everything until it looks just right. And here we have it, the finished look. All the tweaks, adjustments, and content have come together perfectly, and it's looking sleek, polished, and ready to shine. Now I'm going to show you how to create your property listing. Before diving into creating your property listing, let me share a quick tip about footers. I've copied a footer template from the previous template. Super handy if you want consistency, but if you need variety, you can assign different footers to different pages or go for a dynamic footer. The choice is yours. After that, I added a container and fine-tuned its settings to get everything just right. Creating your property listings is easy with the accommodation types widget. Just drag and drop the widget and it will show a directory of all your properties by default. But if you only want specific ones to show up, you can simply add their IDs in the widget settings. Alternatively, you can pick a 2 or 3 column layout in Elementor and place each property into a column. Elementor's Advanced tab is your friend here. Adjust paddings, tweak margins, and set background colors to highlight your properties. For single property displays, you've got 7 widgets to work with. Perfect for creating a custom layout that fits your vision. Want the exact look you're dreaming of? These widgets make it happen. Start simple. Arrange the widgets however you like. Use Elementor's default settings first. Later, we'll set it up with some custom CSS for that extra polish. And the single accommodation widget is a great starting point. It packs all the essentials: image gallery, property details, and a book now button, all in one place. Feeling creative? Go widget by widget for even more control. You can add an availability calendar, search form, or property features to design every detail just the way you want. Use all 7 widgets or cherry pick your favorites. It's entirely up to you. So, all of these styles are inherited from the Hello Elementor theme, and all we've already done is tweak the default settings to make it our own. The theme gives us a solid foundation, and we're customizing things like layout, colors, and spacing to fit the look. Alright, now let me show you the same site but with some custom CSS applied. Ready to see how it looks with a little more personality? Let's dive in. Now let's check out the header. Looks different, right? I've applied some custom CSS to match it with the buttons and tie everything together for a more cohesive look. In hotel booking widgets, there is a field called class under the content tab, and it says custom CSS class for Shortcode wrapper. This applies to widgets that support shortcodes and allow you to add custom classes directly to the wrapper element of the content generated by a shortcode. What you need is to enter the desired class name, and this is mine. Make sure not to include a period, just the class name itself. After adding the custom class, write your custom CSS to style that wrapper. You can do this in the additional CSS section of WordPress Customizer or your theme's custom CSS file. We've only scratched the surface with a couple of pages, but with all the available widgets, you can create so much more. Like a dedicated services page, for example. There is one more widget category that deserves your attention. You might have noticed a few system page widgets, and these widgets are designed to give you more customization options for system pages like the booking confirmation or checkout page. They're there for you when you want to go beyond the basics and apply your own custom styling. Use them if you're ready to take those pages to the next level. With all these free tools, you can take full advantage of Elementor's flexibility and supercharge your bookings with MotoPress. By combining these widgets with Hello Elementor, you can create a fully functional and beautifully designed hotel website that's optimized to drive more direct bookings. So, to sum it up, the Hello Elementor theme is a perfect match for your hotel website because it allows full design control, performance optimization, and easy integration with the MotoPress hotel booking plugin. You get the best of both worlds, a flexible, fast theme and powerful booking functionality. So let this combo help you design faster, manage bookings seamlessly, and increase income from direct reservations. Last but not least, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you're always in the loop with our latest tips, updates, and tutorials. We really appreciate you watching. Your support means a lot. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, drop a comment, and stay tuned for more. Thanks again, and we'll catch you in the next video.